Now that we've introduced variables, I'm going to introduce you to your first error. And reading error messages has got to be one of the most important things you learn how to do. You will see hundreds, thousands, maybe tens of thousands if you program enough. And learning to decipher them, because some error messages are great and others are just like, what are they talking about? So start getting familiar with error messages. Learn how to read them, find them, look them up. So here we've got message equal hello world, and we're going to try to print that message, except we misspelled it. We left out the E. Now, when we run that, we get name error, and then it gives you the line number. It says line number 3. So if you view the line numbers here, you can see that that's line 3 with the print message, and it shows you what's on that line. And then it gives you something, name error, name message not defined. Now this error is slightly confusing because everyone calls them variables, and here they go name. There's a name error. Well, what's a name error? Well, it's a variable that you didn't spell correctly or hasn't been assigned a value before you tried to use it. Now let's look at the same thing but in Visual Studio Code. So over here I've created the same error. Now in the code editor, they're usually nice enough to underline it with a squiggly line to let you know something's wrong. And then down here, you'll see this warnings. And if you click it, it gives you the error message that's going to happen. And it says message is not defined. A little easier. So you haven't defined it, and you can fix it by putting an E in. And then it goes away. The next skill that you're going to really need to know here is how to look these up. It might be tempting to just grab name error and put that in there. But you need to put what language it is, because there could be name errors in other languages and you don't want to get the wrong stuff. So I start by typing Python, then the error itself, and you can see a lot of people have obviously searched for this because it's coming up. And right here it says, what is a name error? Occurs when you try to use a variable function or module that doesn't exist or wasn't used in a valid way. That's how you start learning to handle these errors, read them, see them in your editor, and deal with them. And boy, this is going to be a big part of your life in your programming journey. Now, if you're enjoying this content, subscribe. I'm going to come out with a lot of beginner videos and a lot of advanced videos. So you're going to learn something along the way. Smash that like button so this video gets out and I can help more people. See you in the next one.